F.A.N.A.F.I. No, I didn't just insult you. F.A.N.A.F.I is one of my favorite acronyms of all time. It stands for Find a Need and Fill It. Good morning, everybody. This is Josh Ezel with Breakthrough Real Estate and Property Management. Hope you're having a fantastic day. F.A.N.A.F.I. Find a need and fill it. Pretty much the secret to life if you really boil it down. If you want to have a sales career, real estate career, be an entrepreneur, help anybody, it simply boils down to find a need and fill it. The moment you can fill a need, you've accomplished your goal, and it will impact so many people. So as you're going out today, just remember, F.A.N.A.F.I. How can I find a need and how can I fill it? Have a great day, guys. Talk to you later. Good morning, everybody. This is Josh Ezel, Breakthrough Real Estate